Hey guys, welcome to part 15 of the Facebook Ads University course. In this section, we are going to walk through how to set up your A2P verification, which is going to give us the ability to set up a phone number within the CRM so we can contact the leads directly. Now, when you first sign into your CRM, you're going to be presented with this dashboard. You're going to work your way to the left-hand side. Now, if you find that it's been collapsed, you just press this green button with the arrow, which will open up the menu. We are then going to go over to settings and then to phone numbers. On the top, we have different tabs that we can click into. So we're going to go to the Trust Center. Near the bottom here, there is a Start Registering Now button. We're going to click here. Now, before we get started, make sure that you open the document that was provided in part 15 of the school course, because you will need that to copy and paste in certain sections. We'll get started here. And the first question is the business entity you're registering located in US and Canada? We select yes. Here they're asking us if we have a registered tax ID. So we will need to have a registered tax ID in order to register the A2P. So we're going to select yes as well, continue. This is where we're going to enter our personal information. So the legal business name, make sure it is the same as it is found on the registry. The business type is going to be a limited liability company or a sole proprietorship. The business registration ID that we're going to use is going to be the EIN. This is where you're going to enter your EIN. The business industry that we select is construction. You then input your email here and your website here. Business region of operation, we're going to select US and Canada and continue. This will most likely be filled out automatically as it pulls it from the business registry. But if you see that something is incorrect, then you just want to make sure that you update that. We then continue. And then here it's going to ask for your first name, your last name, your email address, and your business phone number. And then the job position that we select is going to be director. We continue. Here we're going to select low volume standard. And then you're going to click this box here to acknowledge what you've selected and that the information that you've given is correct. We then press continue. And then this is where we're going to be copy and pasting from the document that has been provided to you. So in the first part, it is just a direct copy and paste. In the second one, you will notice that there are going to be some details that have to be input. So once you copy and pasted it, you're going to want to update your name here. And then your business name goes in this section. Once again, here, we'll copy and paste, and then we can just actually take from up here what we use and paste it in this section here. You want to ensure that these two have been selected. So the messages will include an embedded link and the messages will include phone numbers. We continue. Paste here. Now in this section, we also have to put in our website. And then on this last part, which is going to be the opt-in message, and we press submit. Now, this process can take up to 3 days before it is, so here we've been told it's been successfully submitted. It is in progress. Once it's been approved, what we're going to see is verified, approved, and approved. Now that we've been approved, we want to go and get a phone number. So we're going to go to manage numbers. Let's go. Sometimes it gets stuck. So what you want to do is you want to click over to Trust Center and then click back to manage numbers. And then this will populate. So as you can see here, we have no phone numbers. So we're going to add a number, add a phone number. Now what it does is it automatically filters the United States numbers. So it gives me a bunch of random numbers. What I then want to do is I want to filter them. And I can search by either number or I can search by area code. So what we want to do is get this client's number, which is going to be a 978. Apply. All right, so we're seeing 1-800 numbers here. So let's filter that again. We'll reset it. All right, so once you've input your area code, you're going to want to press apply. Now, you may notice that nothing gets generated when you press apply. That may be because the area code you're using is no longer available. So you're going to want to look at other alternatives in terms of area codes that are available in your area. So in this case, I press 978. Now, as you can see, the first few rows are all toll-free numbers. So you got to work your way down until you start to see your state. You can look for numbers that are specific to your area, your town. But as long as it's in your state, obviously you're good to go. So in this case, we're just going to pick one of these guys. So let's go with a... Sure, let's go with this guy. So we proceed to buy. And then this is the number chosen. Number purchased successfully. And now what we want to do is we want to forward the calls to the client number. All right. So you just want to make sure that the number that's been input is the correct one. All right. Once you've ensured the information is correct, you want to click on Whisper Message, and you want to turn this guy off. And you're going to put call from your business. And then call recording, you want to make sure you put a period there. It's very important that that period is put there. And now we work our way down here and we press save. And that is it. We have now created our phone number after our A2P was verified. Now remember, this will take about 3 business days to be approved. Once that is approved, then you can work your way to manage numbers and add your phone number. So at this point, you should have your Facebook ads manager set up with your campaign, your ads, and your ad copy all set in there. You should have your CRM integrated with your Facebook. And now you should have your A2P verified and your phone number set up. You're all set and ready to start managing the leads that come in through your Facebook campaign. I want to give you a big thank you for following along this course. And always remember, if you need any help, any guidance through any part of this process, you can contact us. at Number One Fence Contractors, as we're here to help and help you grow your fence business.